You know, it's not every day that a consumer hardware company actually ships. After years of building, today is about something simple: showing up.
Hey, excited for
Yes,
today.
looking forward to the big day. Let's do this. Super excited for today. Our customers are really looking forward to having us over. They asked us to cook spaghetti and paneer tikka masala. We're not only shipping Posha, we're delivering it ourselves to our users for the very first time.
For us, this isn't just a product. This is years of our work, trust, and belief finally coming.
Hi, Ashley.
Wow, you're here.
Yes.
Come on, right in.
Excited to be here. We finally have your device ready.
Yeah, we are excited too.
Great. Good to hear. This is the packaging, and what I will do is I will take maybe 5 minutes to unbox this, install it in your kitchen, take you through what's changed between this and the hardware you saw earlier. I will cook a recipe for you live.
Awesome.
So you know exactly how to use this. The manual for you.
I can smell
keep it.
the new device smell.
The flipping spatula for flipping things.
Just click in here.
Yeah. And then you can attach it here. Just put this circular part. Yes.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very easy.
Sync with companion and click sync with device here. Community recipes are recipes cooked with our customers.
Okay.
You can send your grandmom's recipe to us,
Okay.
and the kitchen ops team will
Try it out, and then if they find it okay, then they'll put it in the community.
yes, they'll test it out thoroughly, make sure that it's working not just for you but everybody else who might use a different kind of tomato,
Yeah.
different kind of onion. PTM, CTM. CTM is chicken tikka masala.
One.
It asks you if you want to customize your dish to your liking, so you can click on customize.
Spicy, medium spicy is good. Okay, so save the preference.
Perfect. This is where spice pods go, as you already know. So the wider containers go on the sides,
Okay.
the narrower containers go in the middle.
Got it.
That's in B, right?
Yeah.
Easy peasy. Like this?
Yes, perfect. Cool. We're all prepped up. So we click on all prepped up.
Oh, it started.
It's alive.
Yay! Finally.
So now the recipe is alive, and we can go outdoors and photograph different kinds of creatures. We could host a party in the backyard, or we could like chill and it'll just do its job.
You know, when
How
I
do
told
I
my
see
friends
it?
that we are getting this, they're all standing in line. No, but they haven't yet ordered because they want to see first. So they're like, oh, okay, when are you calling us? When I have a list of people, I have to call.
It's done cooking.
This
You know, the
probably
first
was the
time when we
first-
came to the exhibition, the first time when, if you remember, that's where we placed our order, I had this.
Correct.
And I couldn't believe it. I was like, this doesn't look like it's made by a machine. Okay, Papa, you want to try?
Yeah.
Perfect. This is how I imagine paneer tikka masala to be.
Perfect. How was your onboarding experience?
It was very good.
5-star.
Perfect. Do you think you know how to use this device? Are you comfortable using
Yeah.
it?
Absolutely. It's very user friendly from what I can tell right now.
Okay.
Rest the time, we'll say.
Okay. Great.
Oh wow! Welcome.
Thank you.
Hi.
Welcome. And so we'll place it here.
Sure. Yeah.
So this is where all the action happens. The pan which goes in here, and this is actually what gets mounted on the pan
Okay.
and moves all the food around. So the spatula is an attachment. There are different attachments depending on the recipe. So we are cooking a spaghetti alfredo with mushrooms.
So the first one is the one we're cooking. Got a good sense?
Yeah.
Okay, it actually fit pretty nicely. It's a snug fit.
And we have spices here. I'll show you how to fill spice pots, and maybe all of us can do this together.
So we just need some oil to put in the container.
So you can probably pour water in. We selected one serving, you put all the ingredients in. You click on all prepped up.
And
Start.
we press start.
Cooking. Ready.
So now once we press start cooking, we can step away.
Question, how do I know which one is for which?
So the bigger one is for water.
Always.
Yes.
I see.
What about the spices? Do we have to get the spices from you?
So we got a packet of spices for you. This should serve you for a lot of time.
Is that cheese?
That's butter.
And push it in.
Yes, yeah. Push the drawer in.
If there is an issue,
Yes.
whom do we contact?
You can always reach out to our support, which on the mobile app, you can always reach out to support saying, hey, this is what I'm facing, and they'll help you out.
Okay, great.
Cool. I think the food is ready,
Nice.
and I plated it for you.
Okay,
Thank you so much. This is really good.
I've not had pasta in a while. And this is one of the better pastas I'm having.
This is awesome. You should try this.
Good. You like it?
This is delicious. This is very good. Very good. Everyone should try this. Much better than any Italian restaurant.
Actually.